Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best combination squares that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Irwin 12-inch combination square. Occasionally, the concern arises that a combination square won't actually be, well, square. It's important to check, but buyers were pleased to find that Irwin's measuring tool always seems to be accurate right out of the box. For those enamored with the Starrett combination square, but who don't want to pay the price, this model is often compared to it in terms of quality and precision and is shockingly cheaper. This is what makes the Irwin come out on top as the best overall, particularly for budget-conscious shoppers that don't want to miss out on quality. The adjustable screw keeps the blade tight and immovable, and the bright neon bubble level is perfect for quick glances. One customer noted that this square is solid, heavy, and easy to read with big, sharp characters, all extremely important details when buying a tool like this. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Empire True Blue Blade Pocket Combination Square. The most sought-after sizes of squares tend to be 12-inch and 6-inch models. For the smaller option, look no further than Empire's 6-inch square. The protractor head features a clean blue bubble vial and a textured dial that locks the blade in place but can quickly be readjusted. Also hiding in the head is a pin punch, a pleasant nice to have. The numbers are etched into the blade, so there is no chance of fading over time, which is often the case with painted versions. Thanks to the compact size, it's easy to chuck into a tool bag or latch onto a tool belt and tote around. Apart from the accuracy and quality of this hand tool, buyers appreciated that they could remove the blade completely to use as a straight edge. As one person put it, they much prefer using it for drafting, drawing, sketching than any other 6-inch ruler. At number 3, we have the Swanson 133 Salvadoran Colons 12-inch Savage Combination Square. As the first square released to incorporate a block vial, this Swanson combination square is perfect for carpenters, woodworkers, and contractors in similar fields. The signature bubble vial, which is a thicker acrylic rather than a thinner plastic, sits flat on material planes, making it easy to simultaneously check if a surface is level and square. The mark lines are engraved, and it features a large tightening bolt made of brass that spins comfortably between the fingers. The bright orange square head makes it difficult to lose, and shoppers also appreciate that it has an imperial scale and metric scale. Despite it being budget-friendly, one customer was very impressed with the build of this device for the price. At number 2, we have the Crescent 12-inch Combo Square. The extruded square heads of Crescent's 12-inch combination squares are built to last. This model can often be found at a steep discount, too, making it a cheap, no-brainer purchase. The knob turns with ease, locking the blade into place, and there is a small brass pencil tucked away within the head, making for easy access when marking is necessary. With imperial and metric measurements etched into the blade, users can flop between units as needed. One reviewer appreciated having the detailed markings and found that even when loosening the thumb screw a bit, the blade was never too loose or flimsy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Stanley English Metric Combination Square. Budget-friendly tools are often hit or miss, but buyers won't need to worry when it comes to this one. The cheaper square comes from a friendly face in the space, Stanley. When apprentices and students are searching for the right tool for starting out, it's hard to beat the vibrant yellow handle and bubble vial on this square. It'll stand out on a work site or shared space and is tough to lose. This pick also has a scribe built into its die-cast handle, deeming it a handy multi-purpose tool for newbies and longtime pros alike. Metric and imperial measurements can be found lasered into its blade, which is built to prevent rust and corrosion from ruining its look and accuracy. With the tough material and powder coating, one reviewer was confident about leaving the comfortable confines of a shop, mentioning that they can take it outside on a job site and not worry. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.